guys, welcome to my mama's delicious recipes. Today we are going to make an amazing recipe out of pointed gourd and potatoes. You can see how delicious it's looking. So without any further ado, let's begin with this amazing recipe. So firstly, we have washed and chopped pointed gourd and potatoes like this. Now the next step is to fry them. So we have heated up oil in a frying pan in medium flame, and now we will add the pointed gourd and the potatoes to it to fry them. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. We will mix all of them together. Now we will cover them for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the color has changed. The potatoes are slightly becoming golden brown, and the pointed gourd is also changing its color. We will cover them. After 5 minutes, you can see the potatoes have become golden brown and the pointed gourd have also changed their color fully. So now we will cover them for 10 minutes again. On the other hand, we will make a fine paste of 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, ginger and garlic. So we have medium chopped the tomatoes and the onions, and we have taken around 1 inch of ginger and 5 slices of garlic. So we will make a fine paste of all of them together. We have made a fine paste, you can see the color. Now on the other hand, our potatoes and the pointed gourd is totally ready. We will turn off the flame and move them to another container or place. So now we will heat up another frying pan. We have added oil and half teaspoon of sugar. So now we will add the paste of the onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic to the heated oil. We will mix the paste with the oil. Now we will add around 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and we will mix them. Now we will add around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to it, and around 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. We will mix all of them together. Now we will add 2 teaspoon of chicken masala, chicken powder. So this really adds to the taste of the gravy. We will mix this also. So now we are going to add around 2 teaspoon of salt to it. And we will mix this also. So now we will add around 1 cup of water to it and we will mix all of them. Now we will cover them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see the water has started boiling. We will cover them again. So you can see the water has started boiling. Now we will add the pointed curd and the potatoes. We will mix the paste with them. Now we will cover them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see how it's looking. Now we will add around 1 cup of warm water to it or boiled water. And we will cover them for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see the water has started boiling. Now we will add around 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. So we have crushed them. So our pointed curd and potatoes curry is ready. Serve them hot. So you can see how delicious it's looking and the taste is also amazing. So guys, this was our today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share them with your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy.